If you want to cancel your SurveyMonkey subscription, this video will walk you through the exact steps so you can do it quickly and avoid being charged again. Whether you're switching to a different tool, no longer need the plan, or just want to stop auto-renewal, this guide will help you handle it the right way. And before we begin, if this tutorial is helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps your account and billing options, so this is the first place you need to check. After clicking your profile, a menu will appear. From that menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account settings area where you can manage billing, subscription details, and other account-related options. Now that you're in My Account, look for the Billing Details section. Click on Billing Details to open the page that shows your current subscription status and renewal settings. This is the section where you'll usually find the controls related to your paid plan. On the billing page, look for the Auto Renew setting. Near Auto Renew, you should see a Cancel button. Click that Cancel button to stop the subscription from renewing automatically. This is the key step that prevents future billing. Once you click Cancel, follow any prompt SurveyMonkey gives you to confirm the change. Some accounts may ask you to verify the cancellation or review the effects of ending the plan. Make sure you read each message carefully before confirming so you know exactly what happens to your account and access. After the cancellation is complete, double-check the billing page to make sure auto-renew is turned off. It's always a good idea to confirm the change so you know your subscription will not continue into the next billing cycle. If you are trying to avoid an unwanted charge, this final check gives you peace of mind. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel your SurveyMonkey subscription by going to the site, opening your profile, entering My Account, selecting billing details, and using the cancel option near auto renew. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.